In this video, I'm going to walk you through my 3-step map framework and 6 top questions to qualify you as a sales agent. My name is Dwayne Scott, and after 13 years working inside factories across China, I've seen where people get this wrong, and more importantly, why it keeps happening. Mindset. Before we go any further, we need to reset how we look at this, because a factory is not the building or the appearance. A factory is a system where raw materials are transformed into a finished product through people, processes, and coordination step by step. And once you start seeing it this way, you stop judging what's on the surface. Instead, you start understanding what actually matters. Now, when you bring that into China, the picture starts to change, because a factory here might not look impressive at all. It could be simple: tables, machines, workers, in a space that feels very industrial. No glitz, no glamour. Some buildings are 40, 50, 60 years old. Concrete walls, high ceilings. They're built for function, definitely not decor. But some are modern, but many aren't. And this is where people get caught. They judge a factory based on how it looks. But that's not what I'm doing when I walk into a factory. I'm not looking at the walls. I'm following a map. I ask myself some key questions. What's my mindset here? What approach am I going to take? And what progress do I want to achieve? And the mindset I carry is very simple. I'm looking for capability and systems. Because what I'm really doing is quietly checking for alignment. I'm asking myself, does this place have structure? Is there a clear flow? Are there visible systems in place? I'm looking at how material comes in, how it moves through production, how quality is controlled, and how the final product is handled and shipped. Because when those systems are clear, you're not just looking at space, you're looking at a real operation. But even when that's in place, some factories, they could still fail you. And this is where the real shift happens. Because a factory is not just the 4 walls. A factory, I learned a long time ago, is the person managing your order. That's right, the sales agent. This is the person taking your idea from a concept to production, to delivery. And if they can't think independently, solve problems, or take responsibility, you're exposed. So what I like to do is run a factory check, not just to test the product, but to understand the systems, and most importantly, to observe the person behind it. I'm watching closely how they communicate, how quickly do they respond, do they take ownership, do they think ahead or just react? You see, any factory can produce something, but not all can operate at a really high standard. And the difference is simple. What systems do they have? And you can feel it in how they communicate, how they structure the process, and most importantly, how they engage with you. You see, a great factory, well, you're not chasing them. You feel like they're working with you. And that's when real trust starts to build. So, how do we approach this? Now we go one layer deeper, because this isn't just about production anymore. It's about partnership. Are you just another invoice number to the factory? Or are they thinking with you? Because problems will happen. And when they do, you need someone who can respond and execute. So, here's a simple principle that I use to qualify the sales agent. I pretend like I don't know much, because a real professional factory will reveal themselves through how they guide you through the process. Now, here are 6 questions I rely on. Can you walk me through how this product is made? What materials would you recommend? What are some of the common issues? How do you handle quality control? What happens if something goes wrong? And the most important, can I visit the factory? You see, you're not just listening, you're watching, you're observing. Is there clarity, confidence, structure? Because now you're not just evaluating a factory, you're evaluating the operator behind it. So let's bring this together. A real factory is not defined by how it looks. It's defined by the systems inside and the people running it and how it handles your order. I've seen older factories, they were extremely capable, and modern ones that lack some structure. So your job is not to be impressed. Your job is to observe, to ask questions, to evaluate, and ultimately to find alignment. Because when you find the right factory, it does not feel like hard work. It feels like a real partnership. And that's when everything changes. So take your time with this. Ask better questions. Look beyond the surface. And remember, sometimes you don't need more effort. You just need clarity and a better map, better mindset, better approach, and to know that you're making progress. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, how about checking out some of our China sourcing strategies on how to convert your factory into an operational asset to support your brand and your business. This one up here is our garment factory tour in China. So check it out.